Is your Nissan losing oil with no leaks, blue smoke from the exhaust, and that low oil warning keeps coming back? You're not alone. You keep topping it off, but the dipstick stays low. Where's it all going? That's a classic sign your engine is burning oil, not just using it for lubrication. Don't rush to the dealership yet. Today, I'll show you the most common causes and fixes, step by step, even for beginners. We'll cover everything from a simple PCV valve swap to deeper engine issues like piston rings. Stick around. One of these fixes could save you thousands. Grab a wrench and let's get started. Let's talk about the big one worn-out piston rings. These rings seal the combustion chamber, keeping oil out. Over time they wear down, especially after 100,000 plus miles or poor maintenance. When they fail, oil sneaks past and burns up with your fuel, hence disappearing oil and blue smoke. Signs: you're adding a quart every 1,000 miles, see blue smoke on acceleration, and maybe feel a loss of power. To confirm, do a compression test. Low compression in one or more cylinders is a red flag. A leak-down test is even better. If you hear air hissing from the oil cap, your rings are shot. The real fix is a full engine rebuild, expensive and not DIY friendly. But before you panic, try switching to high-mileage oil. It's thicker and has additives to help old rings seal better. Another trick: a piston soak. Pour a cleaning solvent into the spark plug holes, let it sit overnight, then change the oil. Sometimes this frees up stuck rings and reduces oil burning. These are cheap gambles worth trying before considering a rebuild. If they don't work, at least you know you tried the easy stuff first. Remember, a rebuild is a last resort. Try the simple fixes first. High mileage oil and piston soaks can buy you time or even solve the problem. Don't give up on your Nissan just yet. Sometimes a $10 fix can save you thousands. Always start with the basics. If oil burning continues, then it's time to weigh your options, but for many, these simple steps make a real difference. Don't let worn rings scare you. Try the easy fixes first. You might be surprised. Let's move on to the next culprit. Next up, bad valve stem seals, especially common in older Nissans. If you see a blue puff of smoke at startup that clears quickly, this is your likely culprit. Valve stem seals keep oil from dripping into the combustion chamber. When they harden and crack, oil seeps past overnight. At startup, that pooled oil burns off in a blue cloud. The real fix is replacing the seals, a tough, labor-intensive job best left to pros or skilled DIYers. But before tearing into the engine, try an oil additive designed to condition seals. Products like AT205 or Lucas Engine Oil Stop Leak can soften old seals and reduce leaks. It's not a permanent fix, but it can cut down the smoke and oil loss for a while. For $10–15, it's worth a shot before spending big on repairs. Add it with your next oil change and give it a few hundred miles. Sometimes, that's all it takes to tame the morning smoke. If the problem persists, then consider the full repair. But always start with the easy, cheap fix. You might save yourself a lot of time and money. Let's check another common cause. Before you worry about major engine repairs, check the PCV valve. This tiny part vents pressure from the crankcase. If it clogs, pressure builds and forces oil past seals and rings. A bad PCV valve can make a healthy engine burn oil. Find it on your valve cover, pop off the hose, and shake it. If it rattles, it's probably good. If not, replace it. Also, check for oil inside your air intake hose. If it's wet, your PCV system may be failing. Replacement is easy and cheap, usually under $20 and a 5-minute job. Even if you're not sure, just replace it if it's old. It's cheap insurance. A new PCV valve can solve oil burning instantly. Don't overlook this simple fix. It's the first thing you should check. If your oil loss stops, you just saved yourself a ton of hassle. If not, move on to the next step. Always start with the easy stuff. PCV valves are often the hidden culprit. Don't let a $10 part ruin your engine. Replace it and see what happens. Now let's talk about oil choice. Oil choice matters more than you think. Using oil that's too thin for your engine, like 0W20 in an engine designed for 5W30, can cause oil to slip past worn seals and rings. For older engines, a thicker high-mileage oil can help reduce burning. Always use the viscosity recommended in your owner's manual. Cheap, low-quality oil breaks down faster, causing sludge and more wear. Stick to name-brand, full synthetic high-mileage oils for the best protection. Change your oil on time. Old, dirty oil burns off faster and causes more problems. If your Nissan is burning oil, Try a proper oil change with the right high-mileage oil. These oils have additives that help condition seals and reduce leaks. Sometimes just switching oil brands and types can cut oil consumption dramatically. It won't fix broken parts, but it's a powerful first step. Don't overlook the basics. Oil choice can make or break your engine. Next, let's talk about sludge and cylinder damage. Sometimes, oil burning is caused by sludge or cylinder wall damage. Sludge forms when oil isn't changed often enough, turning into thick gunk that clogs passages and sticks rings. Stuck rings can't seal, letting oil burn off. Overheating or debris can scratch cylinder walls, making it impossible for rings to seal. If you suspect sludge, try a gentle detergent-based engine flush, never harsh chemicals. Add the flush to old oil, idle for 10-15 minutes, then drain and refill with fresh oil. This can free up sticky rings and clean out gunk. Combine with a piston soak for stubborn cases. High-mileage oils with extra detergents can help clean slowly over time, but if your cylinder walls are deeply scratched or warped, only a full rebuild will fix it. No additive can repair physical damage. Prevent overheating and change oil regularly to avoid these issues. If you catch it early, a flush and oil change can make a big difference. If not, weigh the cost of repairs versus the car's value. Maintenance is always cheaper than a rebuild. Don't let neglect turn your engine into a boat anchor. Let's wrap up with your next steps. There you have it, the most common reasons your Nissan burns oil. Start with the easy fixes. Check the PCV valve, use the right high-mileage oil, and try a seal conditioner. Don't let a mechanic upsell you on a rebuild before you've tried these steps. A little DIY can save you thousands. If this helped, like and subscribe for more real-world car fixes. Comment your Nissan model and symptoms below. I'll help you diagnose your oil problem. Thanks for watching. See you next time.